Now we can learn the subject of numerical methods. We have 5 units in the numerical methods. Now unit 1 is solution of equation and eigenvalue problems. Unit 2 is interpolation and approximation. Unit 3 is numerical differentiation and integration. Unit 4 initial value problem for ordinary differential equation. Unit 5 boundary value problem and ordinary and partial differential equation. Now, unit 1 solution of equation and eigenvalue problems. We have 5 sections in the unit 1. First one is Newton method or Newton-Raphson method. Second one is Gauss elimination method. Third section is Gauss-Jordan method. Fourth section is iterative method. There is 2 types in this section. Those are Gauss-Jacobi method and the Gauss-Seidel method. Final section is eigenvalue of a matrix by power method. Now we can briefly learn about Newton-Raphson method. Step 1 is given function is f of x which is equal to 0. The extra root is alpha. Step 2 is let the initial approximation root is x0 which is sufficiently close to required roots. Step 3 is formula for finding Newton-Raphson method. Roots of equation f of x equal to 0 is xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn, where modulus of xn plus 1 minus xn less than epsilon. Here epsilon is very small value. Now step 4 is if f w dash of x not equal to 0, then apply the Newton-Raphson method. Solve the problem by using Newton-Raphson method. Find the positive root of x power 4 equal to x plus 10. Correct 3 decimal places using Newton-Raphson method. Now we started to solve the problem. Let f of x equal to x power 4 minus x minus 10 equal to 0. The given function differentiation with respect to x. Therefore, f dash of x equal to 4x power 3 minus 1. Next, we find the root. The given function f of x equal to x power 4 minus x minus 10 equal to 0. Now, put x equal to 1 and solve f of 1 equal to 1 power 4 minus 1 minus 10 equal to minus 10 is negative value. X equal to 2 and solve f of 2 equal to 2 power 4 minus 2 minus 10 equal to 4 is positive value. We get the negative value and the positive value of the function, then the process is stopped. We find the root nearest to the point 0. Take x naught equal to 2. Newton formula is xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn is equation number 1. N equal to 0 in equation number 1. Then x1 equal to x0 minus f of x0 divided by f dash of x0. By using scientific calculator, x minus f of x. What is f of x? Given function x power 4 minus x minus 10 divided by f dash of x. What is f of x? 4 x power 3 minus 1. Solve. Here x value equal to 2. The answer is 1.870967742. We take as only 3 decimal places. Therefore, x1 equal to 1.871. N equal to 1 in equation number 1. Then x2 equal to 1.856. N equal to 2 in equation number 1. Then x3 equal to 1.856. Here x2 equal to x3. The value is same. Therefore, the root is 1.856. Answer. Given f of x equal to x power 4 minus x minus 10. Now, x power 4 minus x equal to 10. X power 4 minus x solve. Put, we get the root is 1.856. Now x value 1.856. Get the answer. Nearest 10. Value is 10. Some example for neutral absorption method. I am going to tell you about Gauss elimination method. Gauss elimination method is consisting two steps. First is called the forward elimination. After that, we are applying back substitution method. I would like to teach some examples. Solve by Gauss elimination method. X plus y plus z equal to 9. 2x minus 3y plus 4z equal to 13. 3x plus 4y plus 5z equal to 40. Equations are given. Solution. Step 1. Write the given system of equation is augmented matrix form. The coefficients x, y, z and the constant values. 1, 1, 1, 9, 2, minus 3, 4, 13, 3, 4, 5, 40. Second row of R2 equal to R2 minus 2R1 and the third row of R3 equal to R3 minus 3R1. Step 3. Third row of R3 equal to 5R3 plus R2. We get the upper triangle matrix. Hence, we have x plus y plus z equal to 9, equation number 1. Minus 5y plus 2z equal to minus 5, equation number 2. 12z equal to 60 in third equation. 4. Use back substitution to find the solution to the system. From equation number 3, we get z equal to 5. Put z equal to 5 in equation number 2, which implies y equal to 3. Put z equal to 5 and y equal to 3 in equation number 1, which implies x equal to 1. Checking your answer. Substitute the value x, y, z, the values in given equation. For example, x plus y plus z equal to 9. X value equal to 1, y value equal to 3, z value equal to 5. Substitute the given above equation. So 9 equal to 9. Teach about Gauss-Jordan method. This method is modified form of Gaussian elimination method.